Hey guys, ignore my squeaky chair. I know, it's annoying. But I just wanted to do a little tutorial for y'all. I got some requests to do like, I think it was browns and golds and then a glowy all over look, but I already did my face. And stuff, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and just go on to the eyes, and I already primed my eyes with I just have foundation on there, which is the Maybelline Super Stay. Y'all need this foundation. This is like, I think I love it better than my Milani foundation, honestly. But yeah, y'all need to really hop on that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. And this is my whole little setup right here. I know my setup's like completely different today, but yeah, this is kind of like I have an acrylics that holds all my stuff. So yeah. We're gonna just go ahead and go into the eyeshadow, and we're gonna do a transition shade, clearly. I know my setup is completely different from usual, but I need to switch it up. I don't know, it just felt weird. So we're gonna go ahead and go into Burnt Orange in the Soft Glam palette, which is this shade right here. Also, I want to apologize real quick that my uploads, the way I upload my videos have been terrible. I don't have a set schedule, and I was gonna try to have a set schedule, but honestly, it's just, I don't know. Maybe during the summer I'll have a set schedule, but right now during the school, I don't know what my little schedule is. Right here in my eye, it's been like super patchy, so like the eyeshadow doesn't really want to take right there for some reason. Well, on it, not for some reason, it's because it's dry. Eyes, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go into Rustic, which is this shade right here. I'm not even looking at my 3502, and that one has a lot of browns. I should. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this little ABH brush. It probably came with the palette, I'm not too sure. But yeah, just dipping into Rustic.
Basically in my face. Browns are so out of my comfort zone, which is why I never do them, but I got a request, so hopefully this comes out good. That looks kind of weird. How does this look like that? I'm just going to go ahead with whatever product is left on the brush and just blend that all together.
It's pretty dark. Hella dark, actually. Okay. Let's see if this runs fast or not. I'm just gonna go ahead, tap it right there. Oh, not too bad. I can barely see it. Just putting it like right there. Concealer right here in the middle where I left the space, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some gold in there. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Maybelline Instant Age one. This is really good. I just honestly hate the sponge because it's a mess. But other than that, super good. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the big mirror real quick, because I want to try like this little technique. Probably mix between bronze, which is this one, and then glistening and fairy. So I'm probably gonna mix in between those three, just because I think it'd be a pretty combination. Was I wrong? Nope. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger just to get the best color payoff possible. Just going in with the first brush I used. Just gonna blend out the edges. Okay, girl, I'm living. This side looks like pro. This side's like the evil sister. I'm gonna go back in with the rustic and try to clean this up. Hi guys, so I'm back and I do have a lip on and then the lashes, and I do think the lashes did make the look, and basically that's all I needed. And if you're wondering what lip combo I have, I'm wearing the Wet n Wild cream lip liner in chestnut. So I put that on the top, I mean around the lips of course, and then I went ahead and filled in my lips a little bit and left a space, and I went in with this NYX shade, I think this is Stockholm, I'm not too sure but I'm pretty sure. And then also it looked a little, I don't know, I kind of want to be a little glowy, so I went ahead and put this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss on. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, leave me any suggestions that y'all want to see down below. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.